No, it's really not. This is Addison James, and you're watching my screencast-o-matic while I listen to Lightning 100. Anyway, so I wanted to show you how to access the ebook. So this is the student preview of Blackboard. I click on the module that says the hub. Oh, and it's empty. How about I X out of that and go to another course? And in that course, I click on the hub textbook module. You can see there is the link. Click on it, and then I'm going to access through Macmillan, and then the Achieve software is loading the book, the hub, and here you go. I'm in the hub, so you can see that I can just navigate through the different chapters. So if you have a reading assignment, or assign you something to read, or a project, then you can look here and you see you have all the links, all the assignments or activities. But we're not doing all those, so I'll assign them to you, and then you'll be able to go to them and navigate to what you need to read. But anyway, I just wanted to make sure you saw that.